Hey guys, welcome back to Kate in the City. Today I just wanted to show you a quick update of something that we're going to be growing this year. So from Baker's Creek Seeds, rareseeds.com, I just got these, a set of 3 banana plants. Okay, it does say to plant in pots and bring indoors in the cold months if you don't live somewhere warm, which is me. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a couple of them in this little pots like this, and then I'm going to put one in this large pot here. Okay, but let's go ahead. It's a pack of 3 dwarf bananas. We're going to see what kinds we got and kind of what shape they're in, because I haven't really looked at them yet. Okay, so we have the dwarf green banana. We have the double Mahoy banana and the Dwarf Cavendish. Wonderful. So let's look, take one of these out and kind of check it over. Okay, so it has a nice root ball. The leaves look fairly healthy for just being shipped. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and plant these out, and we'll be seeing these a few more times throughout the growing season. Alright guys, just a quick update.